Hi guys! Welcome to my second vlog. In this vlog, I'm gonna tell you all about the story of Urbana Studios from where we started up until how we got to where we are today. So, this all started way back in 2013 when I was just a fresh grad. Well, but if you ask me, for this to be more accurate, this all started when I was a little girl. Even as a little girl, I already loved dressing up. And even when I grew older, my love for fashion became clearer. Back in high school and in college, I was my friend's go to person for fashion advice. They would usually ask me what outfit is best for a certain event that they had to go to. And personally, I wasn't really afraid of experimenting with my clothes and trying out new trends as well. So, fast forward to 2013 when I was deciding what kind of business to put up, I immediately knew that I had to be in the fashion industry. So, I decided to put up my own clothing line, which is Urbana Studios. At first, it was just online when I launched it. And thankfully, it was well received by my target market. So eventually, I had to put up my actual store in Naga City. And that's when more opportunities came knocking my door. Soon after, ABS-CBN Bicol reached out for their local shows. And then there was also Miss Bicolandia. They also got me as the official wardrobe stylist for the casual wear of the candidates every year. And many other clients that I met along the way. 2018 came and I had to temporarily cease the operations because first, I was about to get married and second, I was in my final year in law school. And so, sabi nga nila, you can't really serve two masters at the same time. So, even if it pains me to do so, stop first and focus on finishing what I started in law school. After that, we all know that the pandemic happened. So, mas lalong naging permanent na the temporary closure that happened. After the pandemic, we relocated in Manila and I had the opportunity to fulfill one of my long-term goals, which is to enter fashion school, specifically SOFA, for me, one of the best fashion schools in the Philippines. And so I grabbed that opportunity and went to fashion school. And there I met the best mentor and the best colleagues one could ever have in the fashion industry. So thank you so much, guys, for being part of my journey. After fashion school, I tried working for others. However, I felt that there was something missing and that I didn't really belong there. That was when the light bulb moment came to me to reimagine and relaunch Urbana here in Manila. After the nitty-gritty stuff, that's what I did. I relaunched Urbana here in Manila again, online at first, but eventually I started joining pop-up bazaars here and there. And I won't really forget the first one that I joined. That was with the De La Salle University at the Corner House in San Juan. From there, I've been joining pop-up bazaars for more than a year now, and the rest is history. I know that we're just getting started and we still have a lot of story to tell. And I just hope that I won't really need to tell you anymore and you'd also become a part of our story. So, thank you guys for listening to our story. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Hi everyone. We're here at Midnight Dream Studio in Glorieta and we're about to shoot a campaign for Urbana Studios. I'm actually very excited for this shoot because this is very personal to me since it's for my own brand, Urbana Studios, and it's been a while since our last shoot for Urbana, so I'm happy. And also, I'm gonna introduce you to my styling assistant for today, Ash, and our muse for today, Krisha. So I'll see you guys later. Bye!
As far as I can remember, I met Ate May back in 2017. I was just 17 years old that time. And yun yung time na nagsastart pa lang ako with my pageant journey. The reason why I met Ate May, kasi I was one of the members of Modelo Bicolano. During those times, we have fashion shows, and isa si Ate May sa naging sponsors namin. And yun, before ako pumunta sa office niya or dun sa Urbana studio, my co-models, even Mama Anzo himself, he told me na Ate May is a type of person na meron siyang distinct taste, meron siyang standard. That is why, syempre may pressure nun before ko siya ma-meet. And I am really happy na nung nakita ko siya, nung na-meet ko siya, I was able to be part of the show na ako yung naging ender or naging closer. And being a model, sobrang big impact yan sa amin. And it means so much. Kasi it means na you're really good at your work, you're really good with what you are doing. And right now, to cut the story short, last year, year 2024, she messaged me again, reconnect, and asking me if I can join her sa photo shoot. But unfortunately, because of my hectic schedules, maraming ganap, I wasn't able to join her. Pero I promised her now, whenever I am free, message niya lang ako and I will make myself available and reserve my time for her. So yun, last year, nag-join ulit ako ng pageant. And I'm really grateful na si Ate May nandyan pa rin by my side to help me, to style me. And sobrang grateful na yung Urbana Studios naging part ng journey ko in order for me to become successful. And right now, year 2025, nandyan pa rin siya supporting me. And today, we are doing photo shoots for her Urbana Studio. I know that this is not just benefit her, but of course, sa akin. Kasi it adds up to my confidence. Okay? That is why, thank you so much, Ate May. Know that I really love you and appreciate you.
So I have met Ate May when I was in high school, since she is actually the sister of my best friend. And I've actually modeled with Ate May before. I actually really love working with her. So I love the clothes, I love her as a person and her personality. So I really love her work ethic and her style and the cloth that she uses for the clothes that she designs. And I love that it's purely authentic. And it's something that you wouldn't regret wearing on an everyday basis. It's something fresh. It's something very presko. Pag mo nararamdaman mo, sobrang parang ang sarap suotin. Parang niyayakap niya lang yung body mo. And it's not as hot as the normal tops that we usually wear. And you can wear it on date nights, lunch, or even night outs. You can wear it. The jumpsuits, rompers, dresses, everything. And it's very versatile. And I actually really love how she is talaga. Like, she is the sister I never had. So, I really appreciate Ate May. I love you, Ate May.
Hi guys! We're here at the Corner House in San Juan right now for the Samut Saris Weekend Market. And we've spent the whole morning fixing up our booth for Urbana Studios. And we're so happy to have met some of you. We're gonna take you around right now. And we'll see you all again tomorrow. Thank you for subscribing and following us. Bye! Hi everyone! We're here at the Vintage Weekend Market at Paseo Center in Salcedo, Makati. And I'm here with Cheska, one of Urbana Studios' muses. Hello! I'd like to ask you, what do you like most about your Urbana pieces?
I actually like a lot of pieces from Urbana. Actually, right now I'm wearing the green jumpsuit, as you can see. And I have everything of this in every color. Also the tops and every sets. Basically a lot of things from Urbana. It's one of my go-to places for local shops here in the metro. So you guys should probably check this out.
Thank you! Hi guys, we're here at Forbes Town BGC right now. We're gonna be here from August 16 until 17, and we're here for the Artisan Village Market, and we hope to see you guys here.